Okay, I hope you're ready for this because this video is going to be all about showing you how to dress punk. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do some basic makeup for it. I'm just going to keep fairly basic to that. I have some makeup on already, just foundation, but we're just going to add a little bit to that. 2, we are going to do hair because hair is incredibly important with the punk look, so we're going to go mohawk with this. And 3, we are going to do the clothes. So at the moment I'm just wearing bottom eyeliner, but I think for this I'd like to add some eyeliner onto the top, so I'm going to use liquid eyeliner for this. Now for the lipstick. I think when it comes to punk, I feel like you have 2 options, maybe 3. So I feel like one option is just to go black. Another option is to go with sort of a dark lipstick, which is what I'm doing. I'm going with dark burgundy. And I think the option is to go with like a really sort of electric colour. But we're going to choose this one. We're going to choose to go dark. Okay, hair. We need to sort the hair. That's next step. So what we're going to do is we're going to curl it. Now for me, I actually have an undercut. I have the undercut already. So you can see it. Okay, there it is at the side, there's the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, because my hair's sort of a longer short style now, so a lot of the time it covers it, but what we're going to do is we're going to take all of this and we're going to curl it upwards into a mohawk. Okay, let's go. And the mohawk is done. So we want to add just a few little pieces of jewellery, so I'm just going to add this zip earring here. I hope you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it just about. And then we have a fairly large cross earring, which I think is... Oh, don't know what way to go on the camera. I think the cross earring is pretty punk, I'd say. And lastly, we need to add the choker. Obviously, we need a choker. If we're going to make punk work, then I really think we need a choker. Obviously, the choker can be a goth thing as well, but I do think that it's quite prominent for punk, to be honest. Clothes. So here's what we're going to do about clothes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 outfits. So we're going to go for 3 versions of punk. So the first one, so please don't run away. The first one is going to be quite casual, so don't be surprised if it doesn't look too intensely punk, because I'd like to start sort of fairly soft, like with a softer option, and I'd like us to graduate upwards. So I have this little jacket here, and I feel like this looks kind of punk, also kind of grungy, but still it's quite casual. But I love the detailing here up above. These are the things, really, the details here that really make me sort of think of punk. And also I think the contrast between the sleeves and, you know, the denim as well gives it that sort of grungy kind, that grungy casual kind of feel. I think this is gonna work. So this is outfit 1. Now the second outfit is going to be another jacket as well. Now this is the second jacket. Definitely, I would say, a lot more intense. And this is the back of it. You can see like there are studs, even on the back there are studs, but you can see it really obviously at the front on the lapels. And I think this is one of the things that makes it work, you know, that makes it sort of really punk. is all of these studs on the front, and this is heavy. I mean, my arm's killing me just from holding it up. It weighs an absolute ton. So here we have the second outfit. Yeah, definitely a lot heavier than the last one. This isn't much. This is, I guess it's still casual in its way, but it's definitely a lot heavier. I feel like this is a lot more old. I'm hoping you can see the studs really well here. They go really well with the choker as well, actually. This should give you sort of a fuller view of it. The whole thing. So this last outfit is going to be just a little bit different. So instead of going for a jacket, this time we're actually going to go for a long faux leather waistcoat. So this is it, now let's try it on. I actually think this might be the one that works best. But before I show it to you properly, I want to just add a couple of extra items on that I really think are going to make this outfit. So the first one, so they're both armbands. So this is the first armband that we're going to add. And this is the second. I'm going to show it to you sideways because you might not be able to see that properly. So you can see these are spikes that are coming out from it. Let's put them on. And this is it. I hope you can see it fairly well, at least. Unfortunately, I can't show it I can't show any more length here. This is about as much length as I can show, but I'm hoping that you can sort of see enough of it. I'm also hoping that you can see the arm pieces well enough. This is the first one. This is the second. Although I think I showed you this one first, doesn't matter. Numbered them wrong, but it's fine. And for now, that's all I've got. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button. And I think that if you press the bell and then you hit all notifications, then you should be notified every time I post a new video. Please leave me a comment. I love comments, and I'm going to leave my Instagram handle down there so you can follow me on IG as well. And I will see you in my next video.